Portable Network Graphics PNG Specification 2nd Edition. Information Technology, Computer Graphics, and Image Processing Portable Network Graphics PNG Functional Specification ISO/IEC 15948 2003 within parentheses E. W3C Recommendation 10 November 2003. This version, http://www.w3.org/tr/2003/REC-PNG-2003-1110. Latest version, http://www.w3.org/tr/png. Previous version, http://www.w3.org/tr/png-2003-0520. Editor, David Deuce, Oxford Brookes University, 2nd edition. Authors, see authors list, that is a hyperlink. Please refer to the errata of this document, which may include some normative corrections. See also the translations of this document. Copyright 2003, W3C, and then it has within parentheses MIT, ERCIM, and KEIO. All rights reserved. W3C liability, trademark, document use, and software licensing rules apply. Abstract. This document describes PNG, portable network graphics, an extensible file format for lossless, portable, well-compressed storage of raster images. PNG provides a patent-free replacement for GIF and can also replace many common uses of TIFF. Index color, grayscale, and true color images are supported, plus an optional alpha channel. Sample depths range from 1 to 16 bits. PNG is designed to work well in online viewing applications, such as the World Wide Web, so it is fully streamable with a progressive display option. PNG is robust, providing both full file integrity checking and simple detection of common transmission errors. Also, PNG can store gamma and chromaticity data for improved color matching on heterogeneous platforms. This specification defines an Internet Media Type image/PNG. Status of this document. This section describes the status of this document at the time of its publication. Other documents may supersede this document. A list of current W3C publications and the latest revision of this technical report can be found in the W3C Technical Reports Index at http://www.w3.org/tr/. End of sentence. This document is the 14th October 2003 W3C recommendation of the PNG specification 2nd edition. It is also international standard ISO/IEC 15948 2003. The two documents have exactly identical context except for cover page and boilerplate differences as appropriate to the two organizations. This international standard is strongly based on the W3C recommendations PNG specification version 1.0, which was reviewed by W3C members, approved as a W3C recommendation, and published in October 1996. This 2nd edition incorporates all known errata and clarifications. A complete view of the document has been done by ISO/IEC/JTC space 1 dash, let me say that again. A complete review of the document has been done by ISO/IEC/JTC space 1/SC space 24 in collaboration with W3C and the PNG Development Group, the original authors of the PNG 1.0 recommendation. in order to transform that recommendation into an ISO/IEC international standard. A major design goal during this review was to avoid changes that will invalidate existing files, editors, or viewers that conform to W3C recommendation PNG specification version 1.0. The PNG specification enjoys a good level of implementation with good interoperability. At the time of this publication, more than 180 image viewers, and that is a link, could display PNG images, and over 100 image editors could read and write valid PNG files. Full support of PNG is required for conforming SVG viewers. At the time of this publication, all 18 SVG viewers had PNG support. HTML has no required image formats, but over 60 HTML browsers, and that is also a link, had at least basic support of PNG images. Public comments on this W3C recommendation are welcome. Please send them to the archived list of png-group@w3.org. The latest information regarding patent disclosures related to this document is available on the web. As of this publication, the PNG Group are not aware of any royalty-bearing patents that they believe to be essential to PNG. This document has been produced by ISO/IEC space JTC1 space SC24 and the PNG Group as part of the graphics activity within the W3C interaction domain. Note: to provide the highest quality images, this specification uses SVG diagrams with a PNG fallback using the HTML object element. SVG-enabled browsers will see the SVG figures and selectable text. Other browsers will display the raster PNG version. W3C is aware that there is a known incompatibility between the unsupported beta of Adobe SVG plugin for Linux and Mozilla versions greater than 0.9.9 due to changes in the plugin API causing a browser crash. Therefore, a normative PNG-only alternative version is available that does not use an object element. The two versions are otherwise identical. Available languages. The English version of this specification is the only normative version. However, for translations in other languages, see http://www.w3.org/consortium/translation/end of sentence. Table of contents. 1. Scope. 2. Normative references. 3. Terms, definitions, and abbreviated items. 3.1 Definitions. 3.2 Abbreviated terms. 4 Concepts. 4.1 Images. 4.2 Color spaces. 4.3 Reference image to PNG image transformation. 4.3.1 Introduction. 4.3.2 Alpha separation. 4.3.3 Indexing. 4.3.4 RGB merging. 4.3.5 Alpha comparison. 4.3.5 Alpha compaction. 4.3.6 Sample depth scaling. 4.4 PNG image. 4.5 Encoding the PNG image. 4.5.1 Introduction. 4.5.2 Pass extraction. 4.5.3 Scanline serialization. 4.5.4 Filtering. 4.5.5 Compression. 4.5.6 Chunking. 4.6 Additional information. 4.7 PNG data stream. 4.7.1 Chunks. 4.7.2 Chunk types. 4.8 Error handling. 4.9 Extension and registration. 5 Data stream structure. 5.1 Introduction. 5.2 PNG signature. 5.3 Chunk layout. 5.4 Chunk naming conventions. 5.5 Cyclic redundancy code algorithm. 5.6 Chunk ordering. 6 Reference image to PNG image transformation. 6.1 Color types and values. 6.2 Alpha representation. 7 Encoding the PNG image as a PNG data stream. 7.1 Integers and byte order. 7.2 Scanlines. 7.3 Filtering. 8 Interlacing and pass extraction. 8.1 Introduction. 8.2 Interlace methods. 9. Filtering. 9.1. Filter methods and filter types. 9.2. Filter types. 4. Filter method 0. 9.3. Filter type 3. Average. 9.4. Filter type 4. Payoff. 10. Compression. 10.1. Compression method 0. 10.2. Compression of the sequence of filtered scan lines. 10.3. Other uses of compression. 11. Chunk specifications. 11.1. Introduction. 11.2. Critical chunks. 11.2.1 General, 11.2.2 IHDR, Image Header, 11.2.3 PLTE, Palette, 11.2.4 IDAT, Image Data, 11.2.5 IEnd, Image Trailer. 11.3 Ancillary Chunks. 11.3.1 General, 11.3.2 Transparency Information, 11.3.2.1 TRNS Transparency, 11.3.3 Color Space Information, 11.3.3.1 CHRM Primary Chromatities and White Point, 11.3.3.2 Gamma, Image Gamma, 11.3.3.3 ICCP, Embedded ICC Profile, 11.3.3.4 SBIT, Significant Bits, 11.3.3.5 sRGB, Standard RGB Color Space, 11.3.4 Textual Information, 11.3.4.1 Introduction, 11.3.4.2 Keywords and Text Strings, 11.3.4.3 Text, Textual Data, 11.3.4.4 ZTXT, Compressed Textual Data, 11.3.4.5 ITXT, International Textual Data, 11.3.5 Miscellaneous Information, 11.3.5.1 BKGD, Background Color, 11.3.5.2 HIST, Image Histogram, 11.3.5.3 PHYS, Physical Pixel Dimensions, 11.3.5.4 SPLT, Suggested Palette. (11.3.6 Timestamp Information, 11.3.6.1 Time, Image Last Modification Time, 12 PNG Encoders, 12.1 Introduction, 12.2 Encoder Gamma Handling, 12.3 Encoder Color Handling, 12.4 Alpha Channel Creation, 12.5 Sample Depth Scaling, 12.6 Suggested Palettes, 12.7 Interlacing, 12.8 Filter Selection, 12.9 Compression, 12.10 Text Chunk Processing, 12.11 Chunking, 12.11.1 Use of Private Chunks, 12.11.2 Private Type and Method Codes, 12.11.3 Ancillary Chunks. 13. PNG decoders and viewers. 13.1 Introduction, 13.2 Error Handling, 13.3 Error Checking, 13.4 Security Considerations, 13.5 Chunking, 13.6 Pixel Dimensions, 13.7 Text Chunk Processing, 13.8 Decompression, 13.9 Filtering, 13.10 Interlacing and Progressive Display, 13.11 True Color Image Handling, 13.12 Sample Depth Rescaling, 13.13 Decoder Gamma Handling, 13.14 Decoder Color Handling, 13.5 Background Color, 13.6 Alpha Channel Processing, 13.7 Histogram and Suggested Palette Usage, 14 Editors and Extensions, 14.1 Additional Chunk Types, 14.2 Behavior of PNG Editors, 14.3 Ordering of Chunks, 14.3.1 Ordering of Critical Chunks, 14.3.2 Ordering of Ancillary Chunks, 15 Conformance, 15.1 Introduction, 15.1.1 Objectives, 15.1.2 Scope, 15.2 Conformance Conditions, 15.2.1 Conformance of PNG Data Streams, 15.2.2 Conformance of PNG Encoders, 15.2.3 Conformance of PNG Decoders, 15.2.4 Conformance of PNG Editors. So this is a conformance section, and we have 4 sections, and all the sections in order are conformance of data streams, encoders, decoders, and editors. Next section, Annex A File Conventions and Internet Media Type, A.1. File name extension, A.2. Internet Media Type, A.3. Macintosh file layout. Annex B, Guidelines for new chunk types. Annex C, Gamma and Chromacity. Annex D, Sample Cyclic Redundancy Code Implementation. Annex E, Online Resources. Annex E, Online Resources, Introduction, Archive Sites, ICC Profile Specifications, PNG Website, Sample Implementation and Test Images, Electronic Mail. Annex F, Relationships to W3C PNG. Editor, version 1.0. Editor, versions 1.1 and 1.2. Contributing editor, version 1.0. Contributing editor, versions 1.1 and 1.2. Authors, version 1.0, 1.1, and 1.2 combined. List of changes between W3C recommendations, PNG specification version 1.0, and this international standard. Editorial changes, technical changes, and bibliography. And that is the end of the initial index. So I'll make this probably an entire video so that you can ignore everything I've just said if you just want to cut to the chase. And I'll probably do the same thing for the introduction. I'll probably split that into a different video as well.